Structure and function of xylem and phloem. 1. What are vascular tissues? Tissues responsible for conduction, including xylem and phloem. 2. What is the main function of xylem? Conduction of water and minerals from roots to other parts of the plant. 3. What is the main function of phloem? Conduction of organic food from leaves to other parts of the plant. 4. What are the components of xylem? Tracheids, vessel elements, xylem fibres, and xylem parenchyma. 5. What are tracheids, and what is their function? Dead, elongated cells with tapering ends and lignified walls, they provide support and conduct water. 6. Which vascular plants contain tracheids? All vascular plants, tracheophytes. 7. What are xylem vessels, and where are they found? Long, thick-walled tubular structures formed by fused vessel elements, found in angiosperms. 8. What is the role of xylem fibers? Provide mechanical support to the plant body. 9. What is the only living component of xylem? Xylem parenchyma. 10. What is the function of xylem parenchyma? Temporary storage of water and minerals. 11. What are the components of phloem? Sieve tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. 12. What are sieve tubes, and what is their function? Long tubular structures formed by end-to-end fusion of sieve tube elements, transport organic solutes like sucrose. 13. What are companion cells, and what is their function? Cells adjacent to sieve tube elements provide energy for their activities. 14. Which phloem component is dead? Phloem fibers. 15. What is the function of phloem parenchyma? Storage of food. Ascent of sap. 16. What is the ascent of sap? The upward movement of water and minerals from roots to leaves through xylem. 17. What theory explains the ascent of sap? Tact theory. 18. What does tact stand for? Transpiration pull, adhesion, cohesion, and tension. 19. What is transpiration pull? The pulling force generated by water evaporation from leaves during transpiration. 20. What is adhesion in the context of xylem? Attraction between water molecules and xylem walls. 21. What is cohesion in the context of xylem? Attraction between water molecules due to hydrogen bonding. 22. How does tension contribute to ascent of sap? It holds the column of water molecules together within the xylem. 23. What drives the bulk flow of water in plants? Solar energy through evaporation during transpiration. Opening and closing of stomata. 24. What causes stomata to open or close? Changes in the turgidity of guard cells. 25. When are stomata generally open? During the day. 26. When are stomata generally closed? At night. 27. What happens to guard cells when they are turgid? Stomata open. 28. What happens to guard cells when they are flaccid? Stomata close. 29. What are the two theories explaining stomatal movement? Starch-sugar interconversion theory and potassium ions influx, efflux theory. Starch-sugar interconversion theory. 30. What happens in guard cells during the day? Photosynthesis increases glucose concentration, making guard cells turgid and opening stomata. 31. What happens in guard cells at night? Glucose decreases, water exits, and guard cells become flaccid, closing stomata. Potassium ions influx, efflux theory. 32. What triggers potassium ions influx into guard cells? Low CO2 levels during photosynthesis. 33. What combines with potassium ions in guard cells? Malate ions to form potassium malate. 34. How does potassium malate affect guard cells? Decreases solute potential, causing water to enter and making guard cells turgid. 35. What happens to potassium ions in the evening? They exit guard cells, causing loss of turgor and closing stomata. 36. What is the role of malic acid in stomatal movement? It ionizes to produce malate ions during the day. 37. What is the role of blue light in stomatal opening? Stimulates malic acid ionization into malate ions and hydrogen ions. 38. What causes stomatal closure at high temperatures? Reduced water availability and transpiration rates. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.